Assalamualaikum and welcome to Gul Knowledge Hub. It's about midnight and I am recording the video very late. Why I am recording the video very late? Because you can see the henna applied on my hands, and it was an Eid day, and due to the guests, there were many guests at our home, due to which I couldn't record my video. But that is not the important topic. The important topic is how to practice your English speaking every day when you are busy, because you are a housewife, you are a homemaker, you are a working professional, and you are a student, all busy life. So how to manage your day, how to manage your time, that is the important thing which I want to discuss, to get easy fluency, to learn English in the easy way. Because listen, as I am a homemaker, as I am a mother of 4 kids, it's not always easy for me to manage my time. But I will tell you, I will show you what you can do if you are a busy person and if you don't find time enough to practice your English learning daily. Because listen, when I do not practice, then the fear resides within my heart that I can make mistakes. Then I just want to just avoid facing the camera and talking to you in front of the camera and recording the video. So this is the number one thing. Number two thing is that you have your work, that is important, you cannot skip, that is your study, you cannot skip your responsibilities. Of course you cannot avoid all those things, but in learning English is also your responsibility. So what can you do? Who can take this responsibility? You are an individual person, you have to maintain the consistency, because the main thing is to maintain the consistency. And how to maintain the consistency? For example, in my case, during the daytime I was extremely busy, but at this leisurely moment, when it is the time for me to take rest, I am recording the video because I don't want to skip the day for my practice of learning English language. As a learner, as a tutor, I have to do my practice every single day. So I have to manage my time. For example, you cannot say that if I have a lot of time, only then I will do my practice. If I don't have enough time, I will not do my practice. That is your main fault. You have to avoid that main fault, because if you only have 2 minutes, if you have only 2 minutes, you can make a call, you can record your video, you can read a page of the book, you can only listen some motivational or some podcast video, you can only watch some animated stories. That is your responsibility, because every day, every passing day which is past, you cannot return it to yourself. That is the quality, that is the regrettable quality of the time. So you have to utilize the every precious minute of your time, whether you are a busy person, whether you are not. Because during the daytime I was quite busy, I was often disturbed by the continuous arrival of the guest, so I have to manage all those things. So I just thought that if I miss this day and if I don't upload my video, what, and I would be responsible, I would be accountable to my audience, to my subscribers, to my viewers who are just searching for my video, who are just looking for me to upload some quality content for them to learn something new. So how you can adjust your time, how you can manage your time is the topic of today's video. And today's video is tremendously important, because every time, if you are a working professional, if you are a student, if you are a housewife, it means you have to do your work. Especially if you are a homemaker, you have your busy schedule, because you are interrupted by the unexpected arrival of the guest, by unusual tasks which you have to perform at your own home. But if we are just preoccupied, if we are just you can say the fabricating excuses, lame excuses for ourselves. So it was a hectic day for me, but the thing is that we have to maintain consistency anyhow. Anyhow, you have to drive the moments, some free moments, even if these are the 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or the 5 minutes, because you do not value these moments or minutes, you do not value these 4 or 2 minutes, but these 4, 5, or 3 minutes which you are contributing, which you are utilizing every single day for learning your English language, which contribute a lot at the end of the time. So you have to do what you have. If you are really desirous, you have to make yourself responsible, because no other than yourself can take the responsibility of learning English language, because it's your desire, it's your passion. And for the fulfillment of this passion, what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to maintain, you are supposed to inculcate, you are supposed to incorporate for yourself a time where you can read something, when you can listen something, or when you are just creating a conducive environment for you to learn English language. So this was the lesson why I particularly made this video at this hour, because I wanted to show you that despite the hectic routine, despite being overwhelmed or swarmed by all my homemaking activities, I still drew some moments, I still devise some ways to record this video for my English fluency, because learning English, recording video for my subscribers is my passion, is my devotion, and I would certainly do everything to make every video which can be utilized and which can be a fruitful video for my learners. And if you really want this kind of video, and if you really appreciate my effort of uploading this video for you and for learning a new project, and how much I am devoted, how much I am just determined, and how much I am passionate about this, about my profession, please like, share and subscribe this channel and hit that bell icon, because it motivates me to make much more informative videos for you guys. Till the next video, stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you so much.